Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. It is a company that is more than 87 years old, but the LEGO brand continues to embrace new technology. The new LEGO Hidden Side kits include augmented reality. The company's Kelly Nuckols says that capability uses an app on a mobile device.
So what happens is you scan the set, so it has to be built exactly how the instructions say, and then it will scan the set and create this whole world around it. So you scan the bus, and all of a sudden there'll be trees and a road and everything going on there. And then it will direct you to do certain movements. It'll ask you to twist this or place the minifigure there, and those will trigger the next event on the app.
AR can add to the fun. You can find a variety of LEGO Hidden Side kits starting as low as $30. Of course, you can check out lego.com for more. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.